What's up, Holochain holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another urgent news of the Holochain. So, what's going on this time in the Holochain in this video? I will show you, my friends. Just keep watching this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. First of all, we look at the latest update, and after that, we discuss more about the price of the Holochain, my friends. But please subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends. The currently and latest price of the Holochain at this time in a USD dollar is 0.006 USD dollar. 0.006 USD dollar is the currently price of the Holochain. And if you look the more about the Holochain, so you can see here the BTC price of the Holochain 0.000017 BTC. That's the BTC price of the Holochain. Market cap 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the Holochain. Every update is present on the front of your eyes, my friends. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Holochain, so the latest last 1 hour price changes of the Holochain is going good, 0.74% positive change so in the Holo, and the previous 24 hours price change is negative. Last 1 week price change is negative. So from this chart, from this chain, is that's clear that in the previous time, in the last 24 hours, in the last 1 day, the price of Holochain is going down. The price is going down, but now in the last hour, the price start moving upward. The price is going upward. So that's why I'm feeling very good, my friends. I'm feeling very good about Holochain because the price is increasing, my friends. Let me show you the price chart, my friends. From this chart, everybody can understand it, what's going on in the Holochain. And a previous time falls down. That's the price chart. In currently situation, moving upward. So celebration time. Hope you like this video. Click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos.